Like many of you, I love wandering around the quilt shows, and back in August we wandered around Festival of Quilts and we stopped by the Oakshott stand. And I'm often inspired by the quilts that are on display behind the stands. And these quilts that I've got behind me are the inspiration of Helen Howes, who designs for Oakshott Fabrics, and these patterns are in fact free when you buy their product. Packaging idea: when you buy it as a quilt, it comes in this lovely giveaway bag that's complete with the pattern. Always so good to use because they're one of the few fabrics you can actually rely on the straight of the stripe, because it's a woven stripe, not a printed stripe. So I'm going to hold my ruler nice and firm, cut up here, that's my spare bit, and across the top. And I'm going to turn this round so that that just sits on here. 4.5 is here. It's beautifully marked on this new ruler that I've treated myself to.